Assalamu alaikum. Dears, I hope you all are doing well. In today's short video, Machine Design and Analysis, we study the pressure vessels through MCQs. आज की इस शॉर्ट वीडियो के अंदर हम प्रेशर वेसल्स की MCQs के थ्रू रिवीजन करेंगे और ख़ास तौर पर DAE के सालाना इम्तहानात 2014 टू 2020 के अंदर रिपीट होने वाले जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs हैं उनको हम सॉल्व करेंगे। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। द स्ट्रेस इंड्यूस्ड इन ओपन एंड प्रेशर वेसल इज longitudinal stress, hoop stress, tensile stress, or shear stress. And the right option is option B, hoop stress. Question number 2. For thin shells, ratio between T and D may be 1/10. And the options are equal, more, less, or none of these. And the right option is option B, more. Question number 3. According to dimension, pressure vessels are classified as. Answers are large and small, thick and thin, wide and thick, open and closed end. And the right option is option B, thick and thin. Next question, question number 4. The stress available in open and pressure vessel is. Open and pressure vessel के अंदर मौजूद स्ट्रेस क्या कहलाती है? Longitudinal stress, hoop stress, transverse stress, compressive stress. And the right option is option B, hoop stress. Question number 5. In thick cylindrical shells, radial stress due to internal pressure at outer surface is. कि थिक सिलेंड्रिकल शेल्स के अंदर पैदा होने वाली जो रेडियल स्ट्रेस है जो कि अंदरूनी दबाव की वजह से पैदा होती है वो किसी भी थिक सिलेंड्रिकल शेल की आउटर सरफेस पर बैरूनी सतह पर कितनी होती है? ऑप्शंस आर मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम, ज़ीरो, ऑल ऑफ दीज. And the right option is option C, 0. Next question is, an engine cylinder is an example of pressure vessel. कि एक इंजन सिलेंडर किस प्रेशर वेसल की मिसाल होती है? थिन, थिक, spherical, none of these. And the right option is option D, none of these. Question number 7. Pressure vessels are used to A. Control pressure. Option B. Store liquids under pressure. Option C. Control temperature. Option D. For transportation of fluids. And the right option is option B. Store liquids under pressure. And the next question is, pressure vessels are always designed on the basis of. कि प्रेशर वेसल्स को हमेशा किस चीज़ की बुनियाद पर डिज़ाइन किया जाता है? हुप स्ट्रेस, ट्रांसवर्स स्ट्रेस, शेयर स्ट्रेस और बेंडिंग स्ट्रेस. एंड द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, हुप स्ट्रेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Hoop stress fractures cylinder on transverse section, parallel to axis, longitudinal section, none of these. And the right option is option C, longitudinal section. And the next question is, thickness of pressure vessel is independent of. Option A, length of vessel. Option B, diameter of vessel. Option C, stress. Option D, load. And the right option is option B, diameter of vessel. And the next question is, mostly pressure vessels are made in the form of square, rectangle, cylinder, none of these. And the right option is option C, cylinder. And the next question is, in spherical vessels, to obtain the diameter of shell, the following formula is used. Option A, pi by 4d square. Option B, PD over 4ft. Option C, 6v over pi, third time, whole under root. Option D, 6v over pi, whole under root. Okay, dear students. And question number 12, right answer is at option C. Question number 13, formula for hoop stress is option A, PD over 2T, option B, PD over 4T, option C, 4T over PD, option D, PD over 4T. And the right answer is option A, PD over 2T. And question number 14, longitudinal stress fractures the cylinder on longitudinal section, parallel to axis, transverse section, none of these. And the right option is option C, transverse section. Question number 15, the pressure vessels are used to store fluids. Options are under pressure, without pressure, under absolute pressure, none of these. And the right option of question number 15 is option A, under pressure. The pressure vessels are used to store fluids under pressure. And the next question is, an example of closed end vessel is cylinder and piston, tank, pipe of cast iron. And the right option is option B, tank. And today last MCQ is, the stresses on the wall sections are not equally distributed for option A, thin cylindrical shell, option B, thick cylindrical shell, and option C, boilers. And the right answer is option B, thick cylindrical shells. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारी आज की वीडियो थी जिसमें हमने प्रेशर वेसल के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs को रिवाइज किया है। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के MCQs को हल करेंगे। थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफिज़।